guys, I'm Shantae, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my honey spicy chicken tenders. So stay tuned and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Now for seasoning, I'll first be adding some parsley flakes. Some jerk seasoning, some chili powder, some cayenne red pepper, and some Creole seasoning. And finally, some smoked paprika, pepper, and just a little pinch of salt. Now let's add some hot sauce to our egg mixture. You can use whatever hot sauce you prefer to use. I use the red hot sauce and also this pineapple hot sauce because it's a little bit sweet as well and adds a little touch. So now just mix it up and it should look like this, and just mix it up so that it can all be blended up, and then let's add our chicken to it and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Now add the chicken tenders to the egg mixture and just put a top over it and let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour in the refrigerator so that it can be perfectly seasoned up for when we are about to fry it up. So now for our flour mixture, I'll be adding my all-purpose flour as well as some breadcrumbs. I don't put much seasoning into the flour mixture. All I will be using is some Lawry's. Some Creole seasoning and some parsley flakes, and also some cayenne pepper, because as well, remember, it is honey spicy chicken tenders. So now I took the chicken out of the refrigerator and I'm going to be dipping the chicken into our flour mixture and letting it sit for a little bit before I fry it. So I'm going to be letting it fry for 5 to 6 minutes on both sides, or until it is golden and crispy, looking just like that. So I saved some of my honey spicy sauce for my chicken tenders that I made before, but I'm gonna be showing you guys today how I make it. It's only 3 ingredients, so let's make it. So put your heat on very low. Add some butter, honey, and also your favorite hot sauce. Stay by the stove and just keep mixing it so that it can be all blended up together perfectly, and then take it off the stove after 3 minutes. Now this is what the chicken is looking like. I'm going to add a little bit of sauce on top for you guys, so that you guys can just see what it looks like. It smells so good, and I already know that it's going to taste good too. I love me some extra sauce on my chicken. So I made some dragon rice and some buttered corn to go on the side. I like to add extra sauce to it, like I told you guys before, and I also like to add sauce to the rice. Like, why not? It just makes it and just completes the meal. So I hope that you guys try this recipe out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. And you guys have a wonderful and a blessed day. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.